Mastering YouTube video descriptions. Pro tips for boosting video visibility and SEO. Video descriptions on YouTube are essential for SEO and play a key role in getting your content discovered by the right audience. By incorporating relevant keywords in your video description, your videos become more searchable and accessible to viewers using YouTube's search function. Don't underestimate the importance of video descriptions. They're a vital part of YouTube SEO strategy. Here are some pro tips to enhance your video's visibility. Try to place your keywords in the beginning of the video description. Including relevant keywords in your description helps YouTube's algorithm understand the content of your video, improving its chances of appearing in search results and suggested videos. A detailed video description gives both YouTube and Google more context about the video. Therefore, a detailed and informative description can increase your chances of ranking higher for related searches. A well-crafted description not only boosts SEO, but also entices viewers to click on your video by clearly outlining what they can expect to see. YouTube allows up to 5,000 characters for video descriptions, providing ample space to give a clear overview of your content. Use this space to write a few concise paragraphs summarizing the video while incorporating a mix of both short-tail and long-tail keywords to optimize for search. However, avoid overusing or repeating keywords. Balance is key for effective SEO. Do not forget to paste your video title in the video description also. You can include your channel's playlist in the description, as well as links to other videos, making it easier for viewers to click and explore more of your content without having to search. For example, if your video is about video editing, you can add links to your related courses on external websites in the description for quick access. You can include your channel's social media links in the video description. Adding links to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, chat groups, and others gives your channel a more professional appearance. Avoid just listing your email. Integrating these links adds depth and makes it easier for viewers to connect with you across platforms. Make use of timestamps in the video description. This is true especially for longer videos. Adding timestamps is highly beneficial as it allows viewers to easily navigate to specific sections of the content. For example, if you're making any type of educational video, timestamps help viewers find the information they need without frustration. By providing timestamps, you enhance the user experience and reduce the likelihood of viewers switching to another content creator who hasn't included them. Do not forget to include affiliate marketing links. If you're involved in affiliate marketing, whether through an Amazon store or your own website, it's essential to clearly share the relevant links in your video description. This helps direct viewers to your products and boosts potential sales. As you can see, affiliate links to both Amazon and the personal website are shared here in the video description. Using hashtags is recommended, and YouTube itself suggests incorporating a few. Limit your use to 3-4 hashtags to avoid overloading your description. Place these hashtags at the very end of the description for optimal results. Hashtags should be placed as the last item in the video description. Finally, make sure to avoid spelling mistakes in your description as they can appear unprofessional, especially if there are multiple errors. Just like a resume or CV with spelling mistakes can negatively impact a job interview, errors in your video description can affect your channel's credibility. You may have observed that some videos, even with fewer subscribers, still gather a large number of views. This is often the result of effective YouTube SEO. A well-crafted description that includes all the key elements plays a crucial role in strong SEO, making videos more likely to appear in YouTube search results, regardless of the channel's subscriber count. Effective SEO helps content become discoverable, increasing visibility and views, and a well-written video description is a key component of this process.